Y'all motherfuckers speak so much English, you gotta learn at least a couple words in your language. Jesus. I'm gonna tell you what, this has been the most amazing week. I get on a plane tomorrow to go back to Los Angeles. Thank you so much. I wish I could fucking live here. It's such a beautiful country. God bless. Only Jah know.
Kung wala akong pasok, pupunta ako dito bukas eh, kahit yung mga nagsiseta pa lang ng booth. Kasi gumagala-gala siya eh. Tapos nag-ano sila,